this. I've actually never done this before, so we'll see if, well, I've done this job, I've never done it this way, so we'll see if this even works a lot. Get it around this bracket. Now, the pulley we're replacing is this guy. I don't know how well you can see that, but this idler pulley is completely wallered out. So we're gonna replace this beast. And I heard it on the, I was using a, come on. I was using a stethoscope. And you could hear it clear as day. I'll show you. Right in this little spot. So we're gonna be replacing this guy. Whoa. Just a little sticky. Just kind of, and it was really loose actually. So I think it was properly failed. Holy. Torque that to spec. Anything where you gotta replace a serpentine bolt or even just a service on a 7.3, then you know now, hey, I don't gotta remove the fan. Stick that back on. Stick the fancy nut on. Alright, put that back in. Clip this back in. Alright. Bam. Alright, so that's back in. So, I've got my little diagram here so I know exactly how this goes. Because I always forget. It's just kind of a fun little thing that about me. I can't remember build diagrams to save my life, but put this guy back.